Everyone loves to receive a gift that is personalized with their name, monogram, or a complete quote or poem. LetterWorks III allows you to add digitized lettering anywhere you choose. LetterWorks III lets you letter almost anything. You can create multiple lines of embroidered text with a variety of fonts, with the ability to add lettering or monogramming to your favorite design.
One sewer I met made their entire family tree using LetterWorks. And recently I've had several other sewers tell me they're using LetterWorks to make projects for the families of loved ones lost in combat.
This love wall hanging really shows several of the features in LetterWorks III and the way you can use multiple features for one project. In this first block, we used one of over 20 built-in monograms. Pre-digitized frames are also included, so if you don't have the right frame for your text, LetterWorks might. In the second quilt block, we used different types of fonts to say I love you in a variety of languages. You can also see how we changed the shape of the text, placing it above and below a circle's arc, arching the text, using multiple lines, and changing the angles. In the third block, we placed the text vertically and used a TrueType font from my PC. That's right, if you can't find the perfect font from over 150 fonts that are built in, you can import a TrueType font from your PC. This feature really makes lettering possibilities endless because you can always bring in a new font. In the fourth block, we embroidered text from a popular Sarah McLachlan song. Here, the multiple line text is justified to the left of the block, and the author's name is embroidered in one of the high-quality 4 to 10 millimeter fonts. These small specialty fonts are perfect for labels and other smaller projects too. The quilt sashing utilizes another built-in font. This one is a script-style font. We also use the Text on Path feature to arch the letters up and down. LetterWorks III Text on Path also allows you to tailor your lettering around a fabric image, photograph, or embroidery design, so you can ensure your lettering is right where you need it to be. Finally, in each of the 4 corners, we place the letters to spell love. For these letters, we used one of the larger open block font styles and created an applique with that font. LetterWorks III allows you to easily turn your lettering into applique. It's a simple click of the button. You can also fill your text with standard and fancy fill options. With this tool, you can take an ordinary font and create several different looks simply by changing the fill. I'm sure you've seen the hot retro style aprons that everyone is creating now. Well, you can use lettering to create your own original apron. This apron really shows the different fonts in LetterWorks III and all the placement opportunities that you have with this program. The fabric is a plain marble print, and the embroidery creates the texture and random pattern for this plain fabric. The pockets of this apron showcase a truly unique feature, the ability to echo around your lettering. This is just like echo quilting, only for your lettering. It provides a rippling effect to your word or letters. It looks like I just dropped Nana into a pool of water. And you can control the amount of echoing around your text. Set the echo number to 12 or maybe only 2, whichever best fits your project.
Don't forget, Pam, LetterWorks III has a spell check feature. Have you ever noticed that you only discover spelling mistakes when you're halfway through stitching it out? I know I've made this mistake before and hate having to go back and start all over. Luckily, LetterWorks III has a spell check, so you can ensure that your embroidery is spelled perfectly. And LetterWorks III has been designed to stand alone or launch through one of the platforms such as Studio 3, Studio Plus, or CustomWorks.
This fireplace screen utilizes LetterWorks III through CustomWorks to place the K in the perfect position with the rest of the design. Just think of all the options you have when you combine LetterWorks III with one of the other platforms and tool packs. With the ability to create almost any text and perfectly place it, this lettering program is a must for every person who does embroidery.